We are so excited. Tonight our family and friends are going to a campout. Buddy wants to make sure everyone has... Gilbert thinks collect 5 of these for the campfire. Oops! Tap down to get Buddy to jump down.
Hello.
Fun fact, scientists believe that the Alphodon may have had a small pouch where they kept their little babies, much like a kangaroo does today.
Hey! Hi! Hello. Hey! We gathered all the ferns!
Mom Pteranodon.
Ah! Hello. Yep.
Fun fact, did you know that in the Mesozoic period, not all the animals were dinosaurs? There were mammals, amphibians, pterosaurs, reptiles, insects, and many more.
Hey! Hi! We gathered all the firewood pieces.
Dawn's helping with...
Hello.
Fun fact, Troodons had long legs, which probably means they could run fast, and large eyes, which probably means they had excellent vision.
Yikes! Hey! Hi! We gathered all the rocks.
What a great night, thanks to you and Buddy. You gathered ferns for Gilbert. You gathered firewood for Mrs. Pteranodon. You gathered rocks for Dawn. Now let's all enjoy the campfire together.